With dry and windy conditions across the valley, it poses the danger of wildfires.
CBS 4's Adam Cardona spoke with fire officials and agriculture experts on those dangers and how the drought can play a part.
Right now, as we can tell, the whole valley is experiencing a drought big time. Us more so than the lower valley. The drought is bad.
Rio Grande City's Fire Chief Manuel Muñiz says dealing with the drought is a matter of being prepared.
There are guys that are not working, standing by just in case we need them. We brought our extra trucks from another station so we can have prepared to deal with the demand of right now.
One grass fire happening just last week where over 1,000 acres of land caught fire in Starr County.
And that particular fire, it was somebody burning. And that's one important thing that we stress out there, that it's not like in the past where you can burn and it'll be okay. Right now, any little spark can trigger it.
And according to Valley Storm Team meteorologist Jim Danner, the drought in Starr and Zapata County may be sticking around.
We're not expecting significant rainfall, at least going into the summertime. If that plays out to be true, then that drought's going to be extending further east and further east as each week goes by.
Although the rest of the valley is not officially in a drought, that doesn't put other counties in the clear of wildfires.
Now, you can still have wildfires in the lower valley because at the surface, it's dry. So that's why we're not considered in a drought, but it doesn't mean we're not. That's why the fire weather warning today covers the entire valley, even though Hidalgo, Cameron, and Wilsey aren't in a drought.
He says the combination of dry conditions and wind causes red flag warnings, meaning fires can develop and spread quickly. The dry conditions also takes a toll on local agriculture, especially areas with dry forage.
Well, it is feed for animals around this time of year when the humidity drops and the winds and conditions that we've had. That turns to fuel.
Omar Montemayor is a county extension agent for Texas A&M AgriLife. He says some ranchers prepare for the dry and windy conditions. But when it comes to burning and burn bans, Fire Chief Muñiz says,
hopefully people abide by those rules and just think of the consequences that can happen. You might displace somebody out of their homes.
Working for you in Starr County, I'm Adam Cardona.